Hi! In front of me is Honor X7 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Honor. You need to begin by going into Settings and choosing Privacy section after scrolling down. Now click on Permission Manager at the top and tap on one of those options. For example, I want to manage location. Then pick an app. I will go with Booking.com and select one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, Booking.com just gained access to this device's location if I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and then find an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to manage all permissions for my Facebook. Then click on See All Facebook Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!